Kani sir, sa mo siyang practice gyud namo diri every day. So this is known as morning briefing or daily toolbox meeting. So every morning gagather diri tanan workers para ma-briefing namo, para matagan og information regarding about sa construction operation, activity, and most important kaning sa safety. So mo man ang pinakabala gyud no sa aning construction nga to make sure safe ang mga workers para ma-inform po sila sa mga hazards and how to counter those hazards. Niabot nami og 32,000 man-hour without LTI. LTI is lost time incident or lost time accident. Example, fatality or serious case accident nga related to construction. Ang kaning practice ng mga exercise, this is from Japan culture. This is known as radio exercise or taiso in Japan. So we just conduct stretching before work, just like playing basketball. Kung magdulat ta og sports, so naman tay stretching buhaton para kaning mga muscle nato dili ma sprain or malikayan ang kaning sprain or cramps. So mo na siya ang buhaton, stretching exercise para okay ang trabaho nila.
1, 2, and back, down. Stretch your back. Next, arms and legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms to the side and bend the knees. Repeat once more. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now arms revolving. First one way, then the other. Arms outstretched. Repeat once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Legs spread out. Now the chest. Swing the arms to the side, then slowly up again. 5, 6. Chest spread widely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next arm bends. First the left and back again. Then the right and back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now forward bends. With rhythmic bounces, bend 3 times. Bend hands on your hips, bend backwards, then up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now swing your arms and twist your body. Left, right, right. Then diagonally to the back. And once again. Right, left, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feet together. Now arms and legs. Arms up, arms down. With strong, sharp moves. Arms up, arms down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now feet apart. Bend forward twice toward the left foot. Then up and open wide. Next down to the right. And back up again. Once again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now rotate the whole body. Stretch the arms to their full length and make a full circle. And the same way, the other way. Be sure to stretch those hip muscles. 4, 5, 6. Feet back together, and now jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, close, open, close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Arms and legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms and knees moving together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we end with deep breaths. Slowly in and slowly out. 5, 6. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, back massage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, morning greetings. Good morning sa tanan. Ohayo gozaimasu. So let's now proceed daw sa ating PPE check. Please wear your PPE properly. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Helmet? Okay. Change strap? Okay. Safety glass? Okay. Uniform? Okay. Vest? Okay. Long pants? Okay. Safety shoes? Okay. Safety boots? Okay. Raise your hand. Show your gloves. Okay, very good.
This practice of exercise is every day, sir. Every day. So our working days from Monday to Saturday. So kanang Monday to Saturday, every day gina siya, every morning. So we start our toolbox around 6:45. Based on the history of toolbox, kani siya na natawag siya toolbox kay the first person based on sa safety is nagkandak sila og toolbox. Nagkandak sila og meeting sa toolbox which is butanan sa mga tools. Wala siyang gitawag din siya og toolbox meeting.
Dito sa tindog ang leader siguro.
Yes sir. Dito nagtindog ang leader sa mismong toolbox. Akong ika-add sir about sa akong kauban yung mga safety advocates or safety practitioners. So we are implementing this safety and then have this culture nga ma-embrace sa tanan, no, ma-practice ni sa tibuok Pilipinas kay morning isa sa way nga ma-ensure nato nga dili lang ta mag-agad sa progress or schedule sa construction kundi ato ang main priority is to keep our people safe in working and also makauli pod sila nga safe sa ilang family. That is the most important about safety.